So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make a remote of Realme TV, and I am showing you the colors which I will use in this drawing. I have taken these colors from the 24 shades color pencil box. Now let's start the drawing with the help of a rough sketch by some guidelines. Starting from the top, extending it to the bottom, and a horizontal line from middle of this vertical line. Now we will make a middle line for the structure of the remote. For that we will mark a level with the help of this vertical line and then with that line. It is a little diagonal. It will also help us in the measurement. Now we will make the structure of this remote. Now we will make a line for the table. Now we will make a boundary for our drawing. At the left side we will mark 6 centimeters away from the remote and extend it like this. And from right side we will mark 5.5 centimeters away from the remote and extend it also. At the bottom we will mark the length of centimeter scale and extend it. The page tip should match to the centimeter's edge. And the same thing on the upper side. And then we will erase the lines coming outside the boundary. Now we will refine the shape of this remote a little more. Now we will make the buttons of this remote. We will also use some guides. the shadow of the remote. Once completing this rough sketch, we will erase all the guidelines in this drawing which are left. Erasing the guidelines, we will erase this full drawing with the help of our rubber. And here, please make sure that you do not have to give too much mind. Drawing. Now we will make the third level detailing sketch or the final level detailing sketch of the sketch. Starting from and in this stage we will also draw the symbols on the button. And in this stage, please try not to make the too much rubbed. If you will rub your sketch too much at this stage, your drawing might be dark. Now we will make the design of the table. And also the shadow. bottom of the screen. You can watch it. And with my side, this is the primitive of a remote control. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you loved, then please leave a like and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, peace out.